Hi, today we'll talk about the 10 most common mistakes beginners make when caring for bonsai trees. Avoiding these mistakes will set you on the path to growing a healthy and beautiful bonsai. Let's get started. Mistake number 1 is choosing the wrong tree. Many beginners pick species that aren't suited for indoor conditions or require complex care. Start with easier species like Chinese elm, carmona, or jade plant, which adapt well to home environments and need less maintenance. Mistake number 2 is using the wrong pot. The size and shape of the pot are essential. It should be large enough for root growth, but not too deep. The pot should allow balance between the roots and the tree's crown. Mistake number 3 is improper watering. Overwatering leads to root rot, while underwatering can dry out the tree. Keep the soil slightly moist, but not too wet. Finding the right balance is important for the tree's health. Mistake number 4 is using the wrong soil. Regular garden soil holds too much moisture, which harms the roots. Use bonsai-specific soil for proper drainage and airflow to the roots. Mistake number 5 is insufficient light. Bonsai trees need plenty of sunlight. Placing them in dark corners weakens the tree. Make sure your tree gets enough light by placing it near a window or using grow lights in winter. Mistake number 6 is neglecting pruning. Regular pruning is essential to maintain the tree's miniature size and shape. Without trimming, your bonsai will lose its intended look and become overgrown. Mistake number 7 is improper wiring. Wiring helps shape the branches, but if it's done too tightly or left on too long, it can scar or damage the tree's bark. Use wire carefully and remove it before it digs into the branches. Mistake number 8 is neglecting repotting. Bonsai need to be repotted every 2 to 3 years. This refreshes the soil and allows you to prune the roots. Skipping repotting can lead to compacted roots and slow growth. Mistake number 9 is over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can cause rapid growth or harm the tree. Use bonsai-specific fertilizers sparingly to avoid damaging the tree's delicate balance. And finally, mistake number 10 is a lack of patience. Bonsai is an art that requires time and dedication. Results are slow, and the growth process can take years. Patience is key. Enjoy the journey and take pride in the gradual development of your bonsai. Thanks for watching. Avoid these mistakes and your bonsai will thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bonsai tips and tutorials. See you next time.